Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to manage park graphics settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu of the game and next go to settings. In sound and display scroll down and go to park graphics. Here you can change 3D resolution mode, shader quality, anti-aliasing, shadow quality, lighting quality, particle quality, bloom, radial blur, number of avatars displayed, asset animation quality, and chromatic aberration mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.